How to replace your disc pads on your Lectric XP 3.0 bike. I purchased this kit on Amazon for $25. This is one of the more expensive brands, but this is one I chose to replace the old damaged disc pads. The kit actually came with 2 pairs of disc pads along with 2 pins, and the only tool that I used to do the replacement was a bird beak pliers. The setup was fairly simple, and I did it without removing the back wheel. However, I found it much easier to install the front disc pads with the wheel off. Firstly, to do the replacement, you need to remove the metal pin, and you'll do so by straightening the pin and then gently pulling it out of the slot that's on the brake frame. After removing the pin, you're going to pull out the disc pad. There will be a pair of pistons that you'll have to press into the housing in order to ensure that the disc pads will easily fit into the open space between the disc rotor and the space on the brake assembly. Now, I'm not sure if there's a tool designed to press the piston into the assembly. After you have successfully done that, you're then going to insert the disc pads and align the holes on the disc pads with the holes on the frame. Next, you're going to reinsert the new pin and bend the end so as to ensure that the pin doesn't fall out. And that's it. You have successfully replaced your bike disc pad. You'll then follow the same procedure for the replacement of the front disc pad.